get it out there and see which they don't know what they're doing. Lead on, Martin. I'll shut up.
What year was your old DAF then? This is a DAF Veromatic if I'm not mistaken.
72.
Original, you haven't had it since new obviously.
It's about 5 years old when I got it.
Really? So you've had it all that time?
Yeah.
I mean obviously it's maintained in very good condition. Has it had a full body respray or?
No, as it is.
It is original paint?
Yep.
And this has got the old Veromatic type gearbox. Is that like the adjusting clutch that adjusts all the time, isn't it?
It's belt drive.
Right.
It's variable on the pulleys as your speed increases.
So the pulleys open and shut,
That's right.
very much like the new scooters of nowadays.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, very much like them. So how many miles has this got on the clock then?
39,766.
And I love that old smell you get with these cars. It must sort of develop with age, like a good fine wine.
Well, there you go.
Do you?
Cheese.
So what have you actually done to keep the standards up? Because I mean parts must be hard to get hold of now for something like this.
Not bad. You go on the internet to a guy in Holland.
Right.
And you can order your parts, pay for them, they're here within 2 or 3 days. Anything you want.
Right, so I mean, I've not seen a lot of these on eBay. They must be quite a rare motor nowadays.
There's a few actually. There's about 100-ish on the road.
Really? Are they all in the sort of membership, the DAF membership club?
Some, most of them's in the club, yeah.
Yeah, I noticed on the front there you was in the membership club. I take it you've been in that for a while.
Yes, yes.
And you go to rallies all over the country, or?
Furthest I go is Leamington Spa.
Right, and you're from Lincolnshire, I take it?
Horncastle.
Horncastle, well, you just up the road then, aren't you?
It's the local one.
There's another green one around
That's
here.
That's mine as well.
Oh, is it? I see it
yes.
parked outside the doctor's surgery quite often.
Yes, yes, that's mine as well.
Oh, okay. Well, anyway, nice talking to you anyway.
Okay.
Thanks very much.
Cheers then.
Bye-bye. So what we've got here is your Mark III Coupe automatic road. Is it a 3.5, I take it, yeah?
Yes, no, it's a 3 litre.
This is a 3 litre, and was this the sort of thing that the police would be driving about back in the early 60s?
Usually the 3.5 litre.
Right, so why did they bring out the Mark III Coupe version? Because this is, I noticed, is a 4-door.
Yes, because it was just a drop on the roof of the saloon.
Oh, I see, right, okay.
And then they called it a coupe.
Yeah. And is this your, like, obviously you've had this for a while, have you actually restored it, or did you actually buy this like this?
Bought it as it is.
Right, so you're quite lucky then, really, that all the hard work's been done to it.
Yeah.
What sort of paintwork is that? It wouldn't be the original paintwork, I take it.
Completely rebuilt in 1994.
Right, and obviously engine, everything was taken off, and is that the original leather interior you've got in there?
Original engine, gearbox, interior, and everything.
So since you've had it, is there anything you've really had to do to it apart from drive it to shows?
Brakes.
Just the brakes, and they're pretty easy to get hold of still, are they? Or
Yeah.
just standard parts? No, it's not really worth messing about with sort of chrome work. As I say, I can see that's original chrome probably on that.
The original bumper's being re-chromed at the moment.
Oh, I see. So you are actually,
silver-free.
yeah. I mean, that paintwork's in absolutely fantastic condition as well. Very deep. I mean, I take it all you do to that really is have to wax it, I suppose.
Just keep it clean and waxed.
And I bet it doesn't go through a car wash at all, does it?
Good.
You don't want none of them swirl marks on it.
No way.
So how many miles has you actually done then?
It's done 82,000 now.
Yeah. And how often do you sort of bring this out in a year? Is it only for shows or?
Always in the summer, from
Yeah.
April onwards till October.
Yeah. So obviously, like, it is your summer toy basically then, yeah?
Yep. Can't afford to do it any other way.
Yeah. I mean, you're very. In fact, I think this is the first one of these I've actually seen. This is a Mark III Coupe. I thought it was one of the old police types.
It's the last of the 3 litres.
So it's quite a rare one then, is it? The one after this, was that the P6 after this?
No, the P5B.
The P5B, right?
Yeah,
okay.
Which is a 3.5 litre.
That one over there, is that a P6? That's a P6, is it? That one?
P6.
That's the old. I remember as a police car.
3.5 litre P6.
Yeah.
That's the police car as well.
Oh right, yeah.
So you used to use them.
That's the one I remember. Yeah.
3000S.
Yeah. So I take it this is a straight 6 in this, is it?
It is.
Yeah. Overhead. No, it was overhead valve
Half and
still.
half.
Half and half. How does that work out?
Overhead exhaust, overhead inlet and the side valve exhaust.
Oh right, okay. Well, it's very nice talking to you anyway, and hope many more people enjoy your vehicle.
Yeah.
Lovely. Thanks very much indeed for that.
You're welcome.
Cheers. Right, so what have we actually got here then?
It's 1966 Volvo Amazon sale.
And who's actually done the restoration on it? Did you do the restoration on it? Or?
I bought it, put me rose-coloured spectacles on and went and bought it. And then when I got it home, it was using a lot of oil and such like. And I took it to a man at Smoothly, and he's done all the work for me. It's a complete rebuild right from including the window screen, all the front things.
I mean, it looks like it's had a full body restoration.
Yeah, there's little bits still around the back that I've got to do. but he's definitely can't get any better at the front. There's still little bits at the back that I know about that want doing.
What sort of what size engines has she got in here?
Originally it came out with an 1800, what they call an 1800B.
Yeah.
But as I say, when I got it, it was using so much oil.
Yeah.
And we stripped the engine down when we did the engine, and it was absolutely bugged, you know. So he says we'd be better off getting a new remanufactured engine than trying to redo this one. Well, I searched for about 6 months.
Really?
I was on the internet every night, every week, you know, and I couldn't get an 1800 engine.
Yeah.
And he come across this one that had been remanufactured, all done up right, at the right price, and it was a 2000.
Yeah.
And he says, the thing is, you're not going far out of the way, because the last 2 years that these were made, some of the models that put the 2000 in.
What would that have just been a bored out block? It would have been the same block, wouldn't it?
It's exactly the same engine.
Yeah.
Except the 2000 has it on there.
Right, okay, so your flywheels and that would have all matched up.
Everything's the same as
all your ancillaries, yeah, all your ancillaries would have been the same probably. Yeah, it's good. And what is it, overhead? No, it's it's not. It's push rod engine, isn't it?
It's getting beyond me now. And that's why I've entertained.
That's why you've got someone to do it for you, yeah. And how do you use it now? It's not a daily runner, obviously. Do you?
No, it's used every weekend, like.
Yeah.
Every weekend.
Yeah. Do you drive it to many shows at all, or?
Yeah, drive it. As I say, it'll be out to us from Easter, from April to October. It'll be out every weekend at a show.
Yeah, I noticed you've got quite a few badges on the front of it there. That shows it's been shown in.
The plaques that you get from the different shows that you go to.
Yeah. Well, it's a very nice motor, I must say. You've obviously going to look after it and cherish it.
Yeah, yeah.
At least with these old cars, you can work on these compared to the new ones. You can't do anything with the new cars nowadays, can you?
You can if you know what you're doing. You can find a man that had served his apprenticeship with worked with Volvos all his life.
Keep in with him.
He's very particular. Like.
Keep in with him.
He even made me these little brackets.
Oh, right. Yeah.
And they're all rusted to anything.
For the old brake lines, yeah.
He even made me clean all them up.
Yeah.
So that he could spray them and put them back on.
Really, happy days, yeah.
Well, my fingers, yeah.
Well, at least you've done a bit of work on it then.
Oh, yeah. A lot of scrubbing, a lot of cleaning up.
Brilliant.
Cleaning up because I was looking for this, it looks too brand new, but 99% of it is the old parts cleaned up.
Yeah, well, that's the thing, isn't it? I mean, a lot of these parts probably are not. You can't, as you said, mentioned about them clips there. They're not manufactured anymore.
There's a couple of hoses that were new ones because of it, but even the hoses, I washed them in detergent and scrubbed them. And
yeah, they're not perished at all, are they?
He inspected them and said, well, there's only 2 perished ones.
Yeah.
We'll use it. Well, that were a bit there because it's got the writing on, so it were a bit that was new, but.
Yeah. As you say, they can tend to crack the old rubber hoses, can't they? But as you say, if they're pretty hard to find,
just go in a little bit.
Yeah, you can see that. But I mean, that's what's that? Is that a breather? That's just a breather, that one anyway, isn't it? By the looks of it.
As I say, everything that could be cleaned up was cleaned. You can tell by the ends of the plugs.
Yeah, look like the original ends as well.
The old ones that were cleaned up and put back on again.
Brilliant. Okay, then lovely. I'm just going to have a little look around the car with the camera. Okay. Thanks very much.
Into the barnyard and probably exactly where you need the concept of lifting your feet out and down in the chair, taking it up onto the body elevator, shake the dirt out from it, letting it sideways and lifting up against the vertex, leading it to tank on which you could do something. The whole system is just the same. Amazing, I always have a
top it. Bye.